In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. Combining ClickUp with HubSpot allows you to streamline your workflows, manage tasks more efficiently, and keep your team on the same page. By setting up this integration, you'll be able to view and manage ClickUp tasks directly from your HubSpot dashboard, saving time and boosting productivity. Whether you're new to these tools or just looking to optimize your workflow, I'll guide you through every step of the process. Let's dive in. First, start by logging into your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, click on the option labeled App Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the tools and integrations available for HubSpot. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the App Marketplace page. In this search bar, type the word ClickUp. Once you hit Enter, you'll see a list of results. Find the ClickUp app from the list and select it. Once you've selected the ClickUp app, you'll notice an Install button. Go ahead and click that button to begin the integration process. At this point, HubSpot will prompt you to log into your ClickUp account. If you're not already logged into ClickUp, make sure to enter your credentials and sign in. After logging into ClickUp, you'll need to authorize access between your HubSpot and ClickUp accounts. This step ensures that the two platforms can communicate and sync data seamlessly. You'll be asked to review and approve the permissions being requested. Take a moment to check the details, and when you're ready, click Approve or Authorize. Now, during the setup process, you'll have the option to select which ClickUp workspaces and lists you want to sync with HubSpot. This is an important step because it allows you to customize the integration based on your team's needs. Choose the workspaces and lists that are most relevant to your workflow. Once you've made your selections, the integration will begin syncing your ClickUp data with HubSpot. This process may take a few moments, so be patient while the systems connect and transfer the necessary information. When the sync is complete, return to your HubSpot dashboard. To confirm that everything is set up correctly, open a contact, company, or deal record within HubSpot. You should now see a dedicated ClickUp section within the record. From here, you'll be able to view and manage your ClickUp tasks directly from the HubSpot dashboard. This means you can stay on top of your team's projects without needing to switch between platforms. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.